Hey guys, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the bottom rack in a KitchenAid dishwasher. So this is one of the easiest racks to replace on a dishwasher. The reason is because, at least with this model, the track is literally 4 separate clips that clip onto the rack, and that's it. So we'll show you here. The reason this rack is being replaced is because it has a little discrepancy. All of the tines line up except for this one. It's off. And so this whole back row is uneven, causing this not to fit in properly. You can see here, it doesn't fit in unless that gets put under there. And so that's what has to be done. So the first thing you want to do is remove that. So we're going to pull that off. And then it's really very simple. These are so easy to take on and off that you can do it with one hand. So we're going to push these 2 tabs right here, 1 and 2, push them in, and then that's going to push the whole bottom outwards. So you can really just push them in and then lift up on this. Once you get that in there, 1 and 2, I'm going to do it right now at the same time, and then it comes right off like that. Obviously if you have 2 hands to hold it, it'll be a lot better. Then you want to put that on the new rack. So we've got the new rack here. Make sure that you have the front. You can see here the front is the beveled edge, the back is square. So make sure you're putting it on the right spot. And it was on the second vertical tine. So we have the first and second right here. So you have to put the top in first, and then you can click it on the bottom. So we'll click this one off over here. And then it's right on the second one in the back. So right here. Put the top in first, like so, and then just click it on the bottom, and that is it. So we can do that with all 4 of these racks. Okay, then this one, put it on the top first, and then just click it right on there. Now this one, okay, and then make sure you line that up properly right there, and then click it right on like that. Okay, then the next step would be to pull this off. That's the old rack. Then we'll take the new rack, put it on right like this, test it out, works well. Put the silverware or the flatware holder right there, and there we go. And that is how to replace the bottom rack on a KitchenAid dishwasher. So I hope you liked this video. Hit the like button below, also the subscribe icon. Comment below saying you liked and subscribed, and also hit that bell icon to be notified of future videos. Thank you.